First driving lesson with Arielle today. We're figuring out where she is with her driving, what she needs to do to prepare for her driver's test, and of course, my favorite exercise, backing up for 2 blocks in a straight line.
Oh, that should be easy.
Stick around, we'll be right back with that information.
Yep, we're gonna do straight line backing.
Straight line backing. Okay.
We're gonna drive around first. So basically today is like, it's the technical term, the pedagogical term of teaching is assessment for learning. So I'm just gonna figure out where you're at, figure out what you're good with, figure out what you're not so good with.
Okay.
Straight line backing because
I don't think I know what that is.
I'm gonna get you to back down an alley for 2 blocks.
Oh, that should be easy. That should be good.
So straight line backing. That's just,
I have a backup camera too. So
yeah, I know, but you can't use the backup camera. Yeah, you got to look out the back window. You can glance at it like you would your mirrors and whatnot, but you can't use it as your primary line of sight.
Yeah.
You have to look out the back window.
Okay.
So right here, stop. Where's the stopping position here?
Oh, I already stopped.
I know you did, but where is the stopping position?
Before the stop sign?
No.
You're not supposed to stop before the stop sign?
No.
Well, that's where the line is,
There's
right?
no line.
Yeah, there's no line on this one.
I know there's no line. There's no line. There's no sidewalk. So where do you stop? There's actually 3 different positions depending on the intersection.
Right up there?
Yeah, at the edge, just before you go into the intersection.
Okay. Well, Mom always told me to stop before the stop line.
No,
but there's no stop line.
That's not
there,
correct.
So. It's not correct?
No, it's not correct.
Oh, that's what she taught me.
Yeah, your mom is giving you misinformation.
Oh no.
You can go and give her the gears now.
Wow. I was just going off what she told me.
So before the stop line, no stop line, then before the sidewalk or crosswalk line.
Okay.
And if those 2 conditions don't exist, then just at the edge before you enter the intersection. Slow down, slow down. You just got to control the brake. So if you stop and look forward,
yeah.
Where's your car? Is it in this?
Over.
Yeah, so you need to get that way.
Okay.
No, that way. There you go.
Going in the weeds.
There you go. So you just look forward. Now look back.
Straight.
I forgot my tape. Okay, so look forward, stop. Pull forward and get in the center of the lane. You're like right over on this side here. I'm not smiling right now because I remember somebody saying, "Oh, this is easy."
Okay, well, I might have thought it was easier than it was.
Nice. Now you don't have to manipulate the steering wheel back. You can just open your fingers.
Oh,
Keep the steering wheel in contact with your palms, but just open your fingers and let it spin back.
Is it wrong if I bring it back? Or?
No, but it's just easier if you just open your hands.
Is it true that the percentage of failing in Kelowna is 80%?
No.
No?
That's not true at all.
Really? Someone told me that and I was like, oh.
That's okay. Watch the video with Charlie. He went to Salmon Arm. He's like, if you get the guy with the monocle, you're going to fail for sure. I'm like, no, really. First of all, I don't think there's a guy with a monocle. And second of all, you can't fail everybody. We're going to turn right here at this intersection. Okay, slow down. Stop. Okay. See these cars here?
Yeah.
You want to turn in between them, not beside them.
In between?
Yeah, so right here, go. And step on it because you're in an 80 here. So when you come out on a multi-lane road and there's left-turning vehicles, you don't want to turn in like this. You want to either turn in behind them or turn in front of them.
This video is made possible by the course package. Pass your driver's test first time. Because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life. And without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
Yeah, slow down back here. There you go, now you can go. We're gonna go straight. Scan the intersection.
That one's like weird. It like curves.
Yeah, offset. That's a great thing about driving. It's always changing. Yeah, we'll turn right here. But we can turn left too.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
You pointed this way, so I kind of just...
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, go right. See? No, you're confusing them. Turn your signal off.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
I thought you can.
Now turn your signal on. So if you're going straight through the roundabout or you're going in a U-turn, don't use the signal because you're just confusing other traffic.
Only when you're leaving it?
Yeah, only when you're leaving. Scan.
Every time you say scan, you scare me.
Why?
Well, because I do, and then you say scan.
You need to see your head. I'm going to send you the video on head movement.
What?
You got to move your head so the examiner can see your head moving.
Yeah. They're not going to watch your eyes?
No, not at all.
I mean, that makes sense.
I got all excited in a live stream one day because somebody said that to me.
What?
They're going to watch your eyes. You're going to drive with just moving your eyes. And I got right bent out of shape. Okay, see those cars right there?
Yeah.
You do that on a driver's test, it's an automatic fail.
Yeah, that's
Because they're blocking the intersection and the light's gone red and there's pedestrians walking around them. So if that happens and the traffic's backed up through the intersection, stay over there until you can actually get right through the intersection, okay? Because that is an automatic fail.
okay. That's good to know. Thank you.
I put that video up on the 17th of May. Top 10 automatic fails on a driver's test.
Oh, yeah?
110,000 views.
Yeah, probably. Because everyone doesn't want to fail. No one wants to fail.
Not outright anyway. So there's two of them, most common mistakes and automatic fails. Just stop here for a second. Okay, so in a healthy adult as us, okay, peripheral vision is here,
Yeah.
right? So when I turn my head, I can see all the way back there.
Yeah.
We don't need to, so we have central vision, which is like this much. That's how much, yeah, that was wrong. The size of a quarter, we'll change our language. Size of a quarter is like what we can actually discern, right? You're stuck on that now. Peripheral vision, though, is like 90 degrees. So anything kind of light and movement is what you're going to be seeing back there. So you just need to look out here. What's happening, Arielle, is when you're going like this and turning, you're doing it too slow and the car's going to go in that direction.
Yeah.
And you're not going to be able to observe properly. So it's just quick, just like this, just quick head turn.
Like that?
Yeah. Otherwise, it's going to be too slow and it's going to encroaching on other things because sometimes you have to shoulder check really quick, especially if you're at a complex, busy intersection and you need to be doing it a couple, 2-3 times, right? So just quick head spin.
And they're not gonna get mad if I just
No.
do it quick.
No.
Okay.
As long
I'll
as you're
trust
doing
you.
it, and that's all you need to do, just 90 degrees. Because the other thing too is if you're doing it too much like this, the car is going to go that direction. Because the car is going to go where you're looking, right?
It will.
So just quick.
Okay. Where do you want me to go now?
Well, let's go do some more left-hand turns because I know how much you love doing those.
Oh, sorry. You told me not to. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay as long as it's...
hard.
Hey, learning is hard. You know how much learning I had to do to build a YouTube channel?
Which way do you want me to go?
Go straight.
No,
Slow down. That was a two-way stop. Remember, the cross traffic doesn't stop for you coming through there.
So how many times do you think I messed up?
Oh, there wasn't anything serious. There's just some minor things that need to be fine-tuned, right?
Yeah.
Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.